Why do 70% of small birds prefer insects over seeds? Let's uncover the diet secrets of the avian world. Birds, they're not just tweeters and singers, they're also diverse eaters. From the tiny hummingbird sipping nectar to the majestic eagle swooping down for fish, every bird has its favorite snack. Did you know that some birds, like the woodpecker, are nature's pest control, munching on insects hidden in tree bark? Meanwhile, parrots can crack nuts with their powerful beaks better than any nutcracker at your holiday party. And let's not forget about the clever crows. These brainiacs of the bird world can use tools to extract insects from hard-to-reach places. Talk about dining with style. But it's not all meat and munchies. Many birds enjoy a good fruit or seed, helping plants to grow by spreading seeds far and wide. Next time you see a bird, remember, there's a whole culinary adventure happening right above you.